Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the car. Gloves, eye protection, and a dust mask, and park in shade away from direct sun. Once positioned, wash and degrease the area so you can see the bubble clearly. Make a controlled opening, use a fine blade or 80-120 grit sanding to remove loose paint until you reach solid metal or firmly adhered edges. Doing this exposes corrosion or trapped moisture, so you can treat it properly and prevents the bubble from simply returning. Now address the underlying metal. If you see rust, apply a rust remover or converter per the label so you neutralize corrosion rather than trap it. Once neutralized and dry, feather the surrounding paint to about 400-600 grit to create a smooth transition that promotes adhesion. Clean with a tack cloth, then spray a self-etching or epoxy primer in light, even passes. Build 2-3 thin coats with flash time between each so you avoid runs and get a solid base for paint. With primer cured, apply the base color in 2-3 light passes, blending into the feathered edges so the transition is smooth. Once the base is tack-free, apply 2-3 thin clear coats for gloss and protection, respecting manufacturer flash and cure times. Thicker coats cause runs and orange peel. After full cure, usually 24-48 hours, wet sand with fine papers and polish to blend the repair. If bubbling or lifting returns, resand to primer. Confirm all rust is removed, and repeat repair steps to fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.